So now let's see how we can use gradients inside of GIMP. So to use gradients, first of all, I need to go around onto the gradient tool right here, which I can go around, go to the bucket fill tool right here, click and hold, and then I get access to the gradient right here. Once I do that, I get access to the gradient tool. So if I were to click and drag, then I simply have a gradient, as you can see right here. I can drag the gradient wherever I want right here, and then I can go around and move around the gradient point right here to move it here and there. You can see that the blending right now is linear. So if I were to change it to curved right here, just like this, then what happens is that it is a bit curved right here. So I can go around over here and select this and go for sinusoidal as well, and you can go for spherical over here just like this and decrease this and go for step, as you can see right here. So there are different ways on how this gradient can work. So over here on the left hand side, you can see that I can go for linear, RGB, or CIE lab version as well. So that is what you have. So over here you can go for radial type of a gradient right here. So that is what you have. As you can see, you can go for square gradient, conical gradient right here, which is symmetrical or asymmetrical right here. You can go for angular type of gradient, as you can see right here, and you can go for clockwise gradient, as you can see right here, and get the gradient that you want. You can also go for spiral gradient, as you can see, just like this. Apart from that, you can go around, work around with the offset, as you can see right here, just like this, and then you can go around for super sampling as well. So this is what you can do. You can enable and disable the dithering, and you see a bit of the content right here, just like this. If I were to go around over here, you can also choose different sort of gradients, as you can see right here. Like for example, there's cold steel gradient right here, and so forth right here, just like this. You can go around and delete the gradient by simply selecting it and by deleting it right there. What I can also do is I can go around, make a particular selection right here, then go to gradient and click and drag it, and you can see that the gradient now stays within that particular selection area. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that this is the gradient that you have. Click on it, and then this is what you have, as you can see. And you can work around with the gradient right here, just like this, as you can see over here. And that is how you can use gradients inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.